here, and I'm just excited to show people these things that are really special to me. Number one is, I know it's in my tub, great, is my bracelet. It's basically a gold one. Can't get, there we go. Sorry about this, it's just really hard, but here you go, here it is. Now my second one, I need to make this stand up. Gotta make it stand. After this is my tablet's fully charged, I'll put it on my bed so it's more easier to upload. Okay, so that was one. Now there's another one. It's basically my blue dolphin, Charlie. He's really cute. I think he's waterproof, I don't know, but I got him from Breen, in Bristol. And I want him on this duck thing. And he's going to be my reminder of Breen, because I might not go there again. And then when I went to Disneyland Paris, it was freezing. I bought an Elsa doll and an Anna doll. I don't want to show you my Anna doll, but if you want me to show my Anna doll in the next video, then just comment down and do anything. Tell me anything you want me to do. I will be actually doing Minecraft videos. So here she is. She doesn't stand up, but she is quite tall. She has the cape, she has the arms, she has the hair, her hair is blonde, her eyes are blue. You can sit her down, but you have to hold her or lean her on something. And yeah, I think there's something else. Oh yeah, I got my crystallized rock. I got a bigger one of these, but I found it when I was at my cottage in the beach. And that's about that. And now stuff about me. I'm personally about funny things, and I'm fussy with food. I know that I'm 8 and all, but I'm a really fussy eater. I have a big bed, which I like. I have 2 dogs, a staff and a bulldog. My bulldog is called Vinny and he's a boy. My staff is a girl and she's called Safi. I have a sister called Kaya. I have a mum, I have a dad, of course. And I really love my dogs as much as I love my family. And I will be showing you in some videos of them when I'm downstairs. So that's all my family. And my favourite colour is blue. My eye colour is blue. My hair is blonde. That's all the stuff that my appearance is. Now, I'm going to change my wallpaper into a Frozen room. And when my nan went on holiday to Mexico, I think, she went to a space center. She got me this magnet of a real spaceship launching off. It was actually like 2 years ago, I think. I don't know. It launched, but my nan went, I think 5 weeks ago, and I have no metal in my room to put it on. Actually, I do. I'll go put it there. If it cannot stick. There we go. Okay. I will be showing you my room. I can't really do it now, but I will be showing you it and all that stuff. And one more thing. There's a polar bear. yeah, got a pet polar bear. He's stuffed. And I really like him, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I know I always say it on the end, but bye-bye.